Starting around 17 September 2023, Bitcoin money generally is exchanging at $213.54 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.55%. In most recent 1 hour in every practical sense, large way, BCH certainly has a buy and large all-out market cap of $4,165,408,103, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $151,022,159, which truly is very critical. This in every way that really matters, makes Bitcoin money, BCH, sort of positioning at 18 in the digital currency market. Or so they thought. On the off chance that you basically are a crypto financial backer and considering what in a real sense is the Bitcoin money cost expectation end of 2023. What will Bitcoin money generally be especially worth in 2023? Or so they explicitly thought. Is Bitcoin money a sort of wise venture or especially worth purchasing in 2023 in a sort of significant manner? Will BCH cost for the most part outperform its unsurpassed genuinely high in a genuinely huge manner? These truly are our Bitcoin money cost expectations for BCH'(S) future, which in a real sense is very critical. Bitcoin money, BCH value expectation 2023. As per the Bitcoin money figure cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the BCH cost certainly is supposed to generally cross a normal value level of $259.46, the normal genuinely least value worth of Bitcoin money, toward the finish of the buy and large current year, ought to be $248.26 in an unpretentious manner. Besides, BCH can generally arrive at a most extreme value level of $285.43, certainly in opposition to prevalent thinking. Bitcoin money, BCH value expectation August 2023. Concerning August 2023, Bitcoin money cost truly is estimate to truly arrive at and in every practical sense, most reduced cost of $214.92 in an unpretentious manner. The BCH cost could explicitly arrive at a sort of most extreme cost of $241.78, with the especially normal expected cost around $235.06, or so they explicitly thought. Bitcoin money, BCH value expectation September 2023. Concerning September 2023, Bitcoin money cost, all things considered, is gauged to basically arrive at an in every practical sense, most minimal cost of $228.57, which especially is genuinely huge. The BCH cost could for the most part arrive at a genuinely greatest cost of $253.53, with the buy and large normal expected cost around $239.77 in an unpretentious manner. Bitcoin money, BCH value estimate October 2023. The Bitcoin money, BCH cost for October 2023 may sort of arrive at least worth of $235.61, while the really greatest gauge cost fundamentally is around $263.12 in an unpretentious manner. The very normal cost for BCH especially is in every practical sense anticipated to explicitly reach $244.56 in October 2023. Which especially demonstrates the way that the BCH cost could really arrive at a very greatest cost of $253.53, with the sort of typical expected cost around $239.77, or so they for the most part thought. Bitcoin money value conjecture November 2023. In November 2023, the sort of most extreme cost for Bitcoin money could by and large stretch around $275.35. Which really is very huge. Moreover, the minimum cost of BCH in November 2023 in a real sense is $242.94, with a genuinely normal cost of $251.90, which essentially is genuinely critical. Bitcoin money value gauge December 2023. In December 2023, the really greatest cost for Bitcoin money could especially stretch around $285.43 in a very large manner. Besides, the minimum cost of BCH in December 2023 for the most part is $248.26 with a typical cost of $259.46, which really is genuinely critical. Bitcoin money fundamentally passed value examination in the specific beyond 24 hours. The crypto sort of has been essentially diminished by 0.12% in its in every practical sense current worth, showing how Bitcoin money most certainly passed value examination in every practical sense. Recent hours, the crypto has been basically diminished by 0.12% in its fundamentally current worth in an unpretentious manner. Assuming we most certainly analyze the kind of current market cap of the BCH with yesterday's, you can explicitly see that the market cap by and large is additionally down, or so they in a real sense thought. From essentially most recent 7 days, the BCH especially was in very great vertical pattern and expanded by 13.41%, which for the most part is genuinely huge. Bitcoin money sort of has shown areas of strength for especially potential of late, and this could be fundamentally great chance to explicitly dive right in and contribute pretty further appearance. How the really normal cost for BCH truly is for the most part anticipated to explicitly reach $244.56 in October 2023, which generally demonstrates the way that the BCH cost could sort of arrive at a sort of most extreme cost of $253.53, with the essentially normal expected cost around $239.77 in every practical sense, significant way. Nonetheless, after the contrasting the especially current cost and fundamentally beyond 30 days cost history, it sort of is seen that Bitcoin money by and large has expanded 36.952% in its worth, which generally is very critical. The sort of typical especially least cost for the month essentially is $130.31, while certainly greatest kind of normal value sort of was $134.63. So will BCH cost outperform its record-breaking sort of high in a kind of significant manner? This suggests that this coin for the most part is a reasonable resource and another expansion to truly your arrangement of coins for kind of long haul, truly in opposition to mainstream thinking. The 90 days cost change most certainly is around 38.28%, and the value sort of circled from a base sort of typical cost of $125.38 to sort of greatest sort of normal cost of $134.83 in the genuinely beyond 90 days. Which basically is very critical. In certainly most recent 4 months Bitcoin money sort of has shown a developing pattern in a by and large huge manner. Consequently, we in a real sense imagine that comparative pieces of the market explicitly were very famous at that period, showing how assuming you generally are a crypto financial backer, and considering what, for the most part, is the Bitcoin money cost expectation end of 2023. What will Bitcoin money by and large be exceptionally worth in 2023 amazingly? As indicated by the in a real sense the most recent information gathered, the exchanging volume of Bitcoin money for the most part is expanded from 4 months. The exchanging volume comprises an imperative job in its cost, exhibiting how Bitcoin money, BCH value expectation September 2023, concerning September 2023. Bitcoin money cost basically is gauged to for the most part arrive at an especially the least cost of $228.57.